How to fix green screen on iPhone. If your iPhone screen has turned green and you are unsure what to do, don't worry. This is a common issue that can often be resolved with a simple few steps. Whether it's caused by software glitch or a hardware issue, we'll go over how to fix the green screen on your iPhone and get things back to normal. First, restart your iPhone. For that, you can launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on the option of Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few seconds and then again turn it back. Next, what you can do is first restart your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, what you can do is check for software updates. Sometimes the green screen issue is caused by a software bug. Apple frequently releases iOS update that fix such bugs. So launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. Likewise, another potential fix is adjusting the iPhone's display settings. Sometimes tweaking the brightness settings or night shift can clear up display glitches. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of display and brightness. Adjust the brightness slider and see if the green tint changes. You can also turn off night shift and true tone in the same menu to see if it helps. Turn off dark mode. For that, you can open your control center and then disable dark mode. If none of these solutions work, reset all settings. For that, head back, navigate to the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings and go through the process. And that's it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix green screen issue on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.